So I discuss about the main important topic is Facebook plugin. So how to add plugin on your blogger. So purpose of like my page and follow my page purpose. So here this is a Facebook plugin URL. Write down URL dot developers.facebook.com/developers.facebook.com/docs docs plugins plugins /page hyphen plugin developers.facebook.com/docs docs/plugins plugins /page hyphen plugin. See here, this is my page. See here, copy this URL. Facebook.com/digital Rakesh is my page. First copy the page URL. Suppose you don't have a page, you can add by the Facebook profile URL also. Facebook profile URL nothing but add friend. Page nothing but like page. Just here. Just scroll down. Here add is. See here. When adding, automatically showing by my page here. Here one is called timeline. What is that? Tabs. Here width. You can give the width also, width and height by manual. So we will not give the width and height will be empty. They give the default. What is that? Small header image. Hide cover photo like this. So adapt your plugin container with show friends faces. Without friends, with friends. Is it clear? So just listen carefully here. Just come down here. What the option call is? Get code. They give the two codes. They call the step 2 and step 3. Step 1 is your page and language. Step 2 is the first code. Step 3 is the second code. But when adding any website, step 3 is the first code. Step 2 is the second code. Step 3 is the first code. Just first write down after getting code. Copy the step 3 code. Copy the step 3 code. Go to your Blogger dashboard. The option call is layout. The option call is layout. In the option call is sidebar right one. Go to add a gadget. HTML by JavaScript option. Select the title for like page. Content part, copy the code. Paste the code by content part. Click for save. So I can go to my page plugin, select by step 3 code. Go to layout, blogger. Option call is sidebar, right one. Add a layout. Option call is HTML by JavaScript. So select the title and content. Click for save. Done. Now same thing. Just go to here. After that, same steps. Go to the step 2 code. Select the step 2 code. Copy the code. Go to Blogger dashboard. Layout. Sidebar right one. Sidebar right one. Click for add a gadget. HTML by JavaScript. Leave with empty title. Place the code on content part. Click for save. After that, save arrangement. So just look the screen here. Now refresh my Blogger URL. So here, look the screen. So this is they're showing by my posts and like. So if you not like, they show by like my page. Now check here. Just I show here. This. Just copy this URL. Just open for the private browser. It is called incognito window. Just click here. We'll check. Previously we are adding by custom search. And what is the subscribe button, and we are adding by the follow buttons. Now we'll be look. What that? What's showing here? Like my page. See my all my postings. Just scroll down. What that? YouTube subscribe button. Second is my contact form. So if you show that my contact form will first position, simple step. Go to layout. In the blog layout option, just scroll contact form will be header. Previous footer now will be header. First will be contact form. Second will be Facebook like page. Third will be subscribe button. Suppose you can change by subscribe button by header. See here. Contact, YouTube, like my page. So this is it clear? This is called what? My like my page option. We're adding by Facebook page plugin here. developer.facebook.com/doc/plugin/page-plugin. Is it clear? This is where you adding by the Facebook plugin by your Blogger account. Same will be procedure followed by the main website also.